So these are some of the benefits of inheritance. So the benefits of inheritance include software usability, increased reliability, sharing of code, consistency of interfaces, that is among related object you can consistently make the interfaces. Then you can develop the software components, and it helps for rapid prototyping. Prototyping is quickly assembled from the pre-existing components. You will be having pre-existence components, and if you want to add any other new feature, that it can be implemented using this inheritance. And polymorphism and frameworks, this helps you in the high level reusable of the components and information hiding. You need not show what is there in your superclass. Just you can create the object for your subclass, and you can use all the method, the necessary method you can do. For example, in the case of information hiding, if your main method is having your parent class is having some 10 to 12 methods, you need not show all the methods to your thing. You can hide the methods which is in your superclass, and you can derive a subclass. With the subclass object, you can access the methods which are necessary to be incorporated. That comes under your information hiding. And the cost of inheritance, when you declare, you can see the execution speed will be high and the program size will be low, and the message passing overhead, it helps, and the program complexity is being reduced. And when you go with the member access rules, one thing need to be declared, that is visibility modifier determines which class members are accessible and which do not. So till this we have seen only two access modifier, that is public and private. And here we have this members, variables and methods declared with public visibility are accessible. This is what we have done till now. And those with private visibility are not accessible. So if you want to make a class or instance variables visible only to its subclasses, then how it can be done means, it can be done with the third visibility modifier, that is called protected. In the case of that, Java provides a third visibility modifier, and that's the third visibility modifier is nothing but the protected. So as we know, we have two visibility modifier. One is the public visibility, one is the public visibility, and the another one is your private visibility. And if you are public, you will be accessed by everyone. Your member class variables and the member functions can be accessed by everyone. But in the case of private visibility, you cannot do. But if I want some classes can, not all the classes to be viewed, but if I want a member function to be viewed for some classes, then how it can be done means with the help of one visibility modifier, that is protected. So what is this visibility modifier for protected means? See here, visibility modifier for class or an interface. If the class is declared as public, then it can be accessed from outside the class definition. அந்த கிளாஸை விட்டு வேற கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து அந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய மெம்பர்ஸ் வேரியபிள்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And protected, it can be accessed only within the class definition and within other classes in the same package or within the definition of the subclass. ஒரு கிளாஸு அந்த கிளாஸுக்குள்ளே இருந்து யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா அதோட சப்கிளாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து ஒரு பேக்கேஜில் இருக்குன்னா அந்த பேக்கேஜுக்குள்ளே இருக்க கிளாஸஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். தட் இஸ் வாட் ப்ரொடெக்டட். But in the case of private, it can be accessed only within the class definition and it cannot be accessed anywhere else. And the default access. Default access on the accessible from inside the Java package. Accessible from inside the current Java package. Okay. The next one is the protected modifier. How it works. The protected visibility modifier allows the member of a base class to be accessed in the child. Member allows a member of a base class to be accessed in a child. This protected visibility provides more encapsulation than the public. Okay. And